Good morning, children. Welcome to Chetana Institute for Competitors. Today we will discuss about the materials and their properties. What is a materials? Anything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. The matter from which an object can be made is called material. For example, glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton, paper, soil, etc. Everything around you is made up of matter. Properties of a materials. A substance usually refers to the pure compound appearance, behavior, name, structure, color, order, composition and any information about a substance are properties of a material. First one, luster. Materials can be grouped on the basis of luster and dullness posed by them. Lustrous material are shiny, while non-lustrous materials are dull. For example, lustrous materials are like gold, silver, iron, copper, aluminium, etc. Non-lustrous materials are like wood, paper, chalk, plastic, rubber, etc. have dull appearance. Hardness and softness. Materials which can be compressed and scratched easily are called soft materials. For example, cotton or sponge, etc. Materials which are difficult to compress are called hard materials. For example, iron, rod, etc. Solubility of materials. On the basis of ability of a material to dissolve in water, that is solubility, the materials are categorized into two types, soluble and insoluble materials. Materials which can completely disappear or get dissolved in water are called soluble materials. For example, sugar, salt, etc. Here glass 1 contains salt and glass 2 contains water. Now the salt is added to water and stirred well, then the salt is disappeared. This is the best example of soluble materials. Materials which do not mix or get appeared on mixing with water are called insoluble materials. For example, sand, dust, etc. Glass 1 contains a sand and glass 2 contains water. Now the sand is added to water and stirred well, then the sand is appeared in the water. This is the best example of insoluble materials. Or sinking property. Light materials like a paper float in water. For example, plastic ball, dried leaves, etc. Heavy materials like the metals sink in the water. For example, stone, drops of honey, iron, etc. Transparent materials. Those materials through which light can be passed completely. It is easy to see through them, like glass, water, etc. Opaque materials. Those materials through which light cannot be passed completely. You cannot see them, like wood, cardboard, etc. Translucent materials. Those materials through which light can be passed partially. It is partially opaque, is transparent like frosted glass. For example, oil paper, muslin, cloth, etc. In the next video, we will discuss practice exercise on this chapter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.